A mechanical keyboard begins as raw materials, like plastics and copper alloy for the frame and circuitry, then moves to a precision injection mold that shapes the case and keycaps into durable, smooth surfaces. The heart of the device, the printed circuit board, undergoes surface mounting, where tiny switches, diodes, and stabilizers are soldered with robotic precision to ensure reliable keystrokes. Keycaps, often made of PBT or ABS, are molded and then finished with texture and legends that resist wear under millions of presses. Assembly stitches everything together, testing for actuation force, travel distance, and bottoming out to guarantee consistent typing feel. Finally, the keyboard is packaged with firmware loaded, labeled, and inspected for quality before it reaches desks around the world.